Okay, so you guys might remember a few months back when I first started realizing about toxic chemicals in the home. And the first thing that I kind of tackled was our laundry area. And I found some like DIY detergent recipes and things like that online. And I posted a video about it. And pretty much immediately started getting all these comments like, girl, that's not gonna clean your clothes. Like that's just hard water softener or something. And like I said, I wasn't like an expert. I was just doing recipes that I found online. So I was like, well, you know, other people say it works. So I tried it for a while and then it kind of stopped working, or maybe it never worked, but I just started realizing like, yeah, this probably isn't doing that good of a job. So I was like, I've got to find a better solution. So I tried a couple of different brands. And today I'm just doing my little like laundry routine, all natural, like plant-based laundry routine. If you guys are interested in like cleaning up your home life, like living less toxic, less toxic chemicals and things like that in your home, laundry is the best place to start because some of the most toxic products are in your laundry room. And I used to have those like scent booster beads and all the stuff that is like the worst for you to be breathing in and wear. I mean, your clothes, like you wear them all day and the chemicals and stuff like soak into your skin. It's just not good. So if you're trying to, you know, live a more low toxic lifestyle, definitely start in the laundry. So I just thought I'd show you today what I'm gonna be doing. Sorry about like the hat stuff, we were out on the farm today. Okay, so the first thing I do for detergent is I'm using the Young Living Thieves detergent. Now, hold up. I was so hesitant to try Young Living. Okay, let me just say this from the start because I thought like it was one of these pyramid scheme kind of things and you buy it and then you're like, you have to sell it and you have to build a team and all this stuff. And I was talking to my friend about it and she was like, no, like you don't have to, you're not committed to anything. You can just try it. So if you're kind of like, oh, never mind, cause I don't want to do Young Living, maybe just try it because you don't have to sell it. Like 95% of the people who use it don't sell it. I think another thing that kind of turns people off sometimes is the prices seem so high, but their stuff is really concentrated. So like, this is one bottle of detergent, and when I first saw it, I was like, okay, that's really small and kind of expensive, but you can use it to make 2, I've even seen some people make 3 bottles of detergent out of 1. So it's ultra concentrated, so you can do that. You can like split it up, and that's what I do. But yeah, I tried other brands as well. Another brand that I tried was Branch Basics. I'm gonna get into this stuff later, but I also like Branch Basics. The reason I lean more toward the Young Living stuff is because it has a little bit of a scent. It smells like their Thieves blend, which just has a really nice like Christmassy cinnamon type of smell. I love it, almost like a spiced tea or something like that. And I like a little bit of a scent. I mean, like I said, I used to be one of these scent booster people with my laundry, so it was really hard for me to get used to like having no scent at all. So anyway, okay, so what I'm gonna do is pour half of this in here and half in here. And these are just amber glass bottles that I got on Amazon. And I can link to them for you guys. They are, I believe, 32 ounces. I'm gonna try to do this without making a complete mess. Whoa, yep, see. Have to get a little funnel or something for this. I usually just make a mess and then just wipe it down after. And I don't, this isn't very like exact, I just kind of look at it and see, make sure they like, seem like they weigh the same amount. How are you guys liking these like casual, low budget style videos that I'm doing? I used to do the whole thing with like getting on my camera and editing on the computer, and it just takes so long that like I just wasn't putting out very many videos. It's hard because all I really have are like nap times, you know? I'm sure a lot of moms can relate. So I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna start filming them on my phone and just posting them up. And it is what it is. Okay, and so this is like the hack for the Young Living detergent is you split up a bottle of that and then you add 2 capfuls of their household cleaner. This stuff is so cool because you can use this to make like all of the spray for your house, like literally every cleaner in your house you can make out of this stuff. It's just like different amounts of this and water. And I actually think it's pretty similar to Branch Basics if you've tried that. Like I said, I tried both because I was just curious of which one I would like the most. But this one smells good, so I like that. So yeah, that's all you do. You fill the rest up with water, and then you can also add more essential oils if you want. For me, that's enough. I won't fill these up with water right now because I don't want to spend too much time. Okay, so then the next thing for my, like, I need a little bit of a mess here. The next thing for my laundry routine is a booster. So I love this from Branch Basics. This is their Oxygen Boost. We are a household that has a toddler, a potty training toddler. So there are pee spells and things, and yeah, you just need a little extra to make sure you get all of the smells out of things. I know, sorry if that's gross, but so this is just a like powdery stuff that you add a scoop. You add a scoop to a load of laundry. Oh, and I forgot to mention that with the detergent, you do 2 to 3 pumps. So it lasts a really long time. So I'm gonna use this until I run out. In the meantime, I saw where you can make your own. So I wanted to try that too. So the way that you make your own, just in case you don't have this or want to try to save money, is you do a 1/2 cup of baking soda. I just have these glass jar things. These are from Walmart. And then 2 cups of Epsom salt. So I have that here. Add more essential oil if you, again, want it to smell good. And you can add whatever you want. I'm just adding Thieves because the rest of my stuff smells like Thieves. So just put like a whole bunch in there. I think I read online you do like about 25 drops. I'm just kind of putting a whole bunch in. It doesn't really matter. And then you just stir it up. And that's your little like scent booster to get out the really stinky smells, you know. Another little hack for natural laundry stuff is you can, on stains, because we have a lot of those too, you can keep a little brush. I don't have one with me right now, but I mean, you can even just use like an old toothbrush and squirt some detergent on the stain and then just scrub it with the toothbrush or the scrub brush and let it sit for a little while. So that works really well. This Branch Basics stuff also has on the back some like recipes you can use this for like pre-soaking and bathroom tile and carpet cleaner and stuff like that. So I think either of these is going to be a good option. There's so many great DIYs and things like that online. And then the last thing that you need for laundry is fabric softener. So I have been using the wool balls. These work great. There's like no need for fabric softener sheets. Those, okay, if you guys want to just like have your mind blown about the stuff that is in your products, go to the environmental working group. It's ewg.org. You can search by product, like by brand that you have. You can search by ingredient, but it will tell you, that website will tell you basically like the toxicity of the products in your house. And it'll say, you know, this product has a rating of, you know, 5 because it has these ingredients in it, and these ingredients have been shown to cause cancer or asthma or whatever. It gives like a rating for each one. So prepare to have your mind blown. But I've just been trying little by little to replace the toxic products in our house and that we use on our bodies and everything with non-toxic versions. And yeah, I mean, I haven't had any like regrets. There have been some products that I've tried, none of these, but some other products that I've tried that I've been like, and then I've had to look for a different alternative. So I'll be sure to try to share like the good stuff that I find. Yeah, and I will put links to everything. If you're watching this on Instagram, I will put links in my bio. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll put links in my description box. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.